Hey, this is English Explained, and we're diving into the sassy idiom, don't hold your breath. It's when you warn someone not to expect something to happen soon, or maybe at all, often with a skeptical or sarcastic edge, implying the outcome is unlikely or delayed. It's about tempering unrealistic hopes with a dose of reality. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. They promised a new park by summer? Don't hold your breath. It's probably not happening soon. He said he'd reply to my text tonight? Don't hold your breath. He's notorious for ghosting. A raise this quarter? Don't hold your breath. The company's been stingy lately. The idiom, don't hold your breath, has roots in early 20th century American English, drawing on the vivid imagery of holding one's breath in anxious anticipation, like waiting for something with bated breath. The phrase humorously suggests that waiting so long could leave you breathless, or worse. It gained traction in casual speech to express doubt about promises or expectations, often with a playful or cynical tone, reflecting a practical skepticism about unreliable outcomes. Use don't hold your breath to caution someone against expecting something unlikely or delayed, especially when you doubt it'll happen as promised. This idiom carries a witty, sometimes sarcastic tone and is perfect for informal conversations where you want to keep expectations grounded or add a humorous jab. It's best avoided in formal settings where optimism is preferred. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.